Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style, and today I have a new unboxing video for you. Okay my friends, so as you can see today we have another rainbow high doll. I'm sorry about the light reflection over here. So this doll is part of the Rainbow Junior High collection. I did an unboxing of Amaya. And actually this doll is not mine in quotes, because when my mom saw my collection she also wanted a doll, and since she loves butterflies I thought she was gonna like Poppy, and she's the version she picked to buy. So today we got it from Amazon and we are gonna do the unboxing. So as you can see, this is her box. It's smaller than the usual boxes. You have the art in here, very pretty. The box is like kind of holographic, so it looks super nice. On the side we just have this part. Her focus is music production right there, and on the back we have some of the characters of this series. This is the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna bring her out of the box and I'll be right back. Okay my friends, so I am back and I took her out of the box, and these were the only contents that we get when we buy this junior high doll. So first of all we have the comb. This one is orange color with the logo as usual over there. This is rainbow. And the only accessory we have in here is this backpack, which you can open. There is like paper inside just to keep the shape. Has a rainbow logo. It has like a butterfly over here, and you can open it since it has some velcro in here, and inside we have this plastic case just to keep the shape. I will leave it in here because it looks pretty like this, and in the future I will add some stuff inside the bag. On the back we have the rainbow logo, and look at this pretty detail over here. It's amazing, the quality, and it says sparkle all over the sign. So this is the only accessory she has, and let's move on to the doll. On the camera I'm noticing her lips look super bright, like neon orange, but it's actually a very pale kind of like a salmon color, I feel like. The hair is orange with some pink strips. Again, in the camera it looks super bright. I guess it's because of my lighting, so sorry about that. It is not as bright as you are seeing it on the screen. The rooting is a little bit kind of bad in here because you can see the scalp over there, but if you comb it properly you can hide that very easily. She comes with these two hair accessories which looks like butterflies. I'm sorry about my pronunciation. She has a small hairdo over here. The hair it's super stiff. It has a lot of product on her, but as I have been saying in past videos, this is not an issue since you can only wash it and comb it to remove this stiffness of the product, because yeah, it has a lot. I did not expected her to have some pink strands on her hair, so I really like that. Okay, so moving on to her clothes. We have these pretty plastic boots. They remind me of rain boots. This is the bottom of the shoes, and they have some pretty flowers. She has some white socks on her legs, and we have the normal movement. She comes with these shorts, kind of jeans. Let me show it to you properly. There you go. On the back she has some pockets, which actually you can use, but they are super tight, so you can barely fit stuff in there, and you can remove them with velcro on the back. Okay, the shirt is actually kind of two parts, because if you can see she has this tiny orange crop top. Here you can see it better, And then on top you have this like clear shirt with mimics butterfly wings. So her outfit is super cute and pretty. She also has orange short nails, and on the sleeves and the shirt underneath she has these orange ribbons. These are clear orange and these are bright orange, so that's another cute thing. And moving on to the makeup, it's super pretty. She has some freckles. I don't know why mine came with a tiny stain. You can see it next to the mouth in there. You can see the shine in there, but I feel I can remove very easily that with a little bit of water. Just letting you know. She has some freckles. She looks so cute. Her makeup has a little bit of pink and orange in there. And she has the clear eyes, I mean crystal plastic eyes, which are blue in color. So yeah, basically she only includes these few things. Again, on the camera she looks a little bit bright on the colors. The orange looks super bright, but it's a little bit less bright than the one you are seeing on the screen. And well, my friends, this was a very quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, since that will make me very happy and will also motivate me to keep doing videos for this channel. Okay, my friends, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!